I thought I'd better get a video. I haven't been on all week. Yeah, the lads have been smashing it out whilst I've been away.
Step into his office, Baggy. See what we can get.
Oh, right, dude.
Yeah.
I want f***ing shelves.
I'm boss for the week, aren't I?
Yeah, let's have a look.
What can we get here?
Hello there. Oof, first official day back after the holidays. Oh, soon like a distant memory, although it's quite warm at the minute. Not too bad. And just in here, look, pretending that he's doing something.
Oh, he's good at looking busy.
He's just having a bit of a sort out in yards. It's getting on top of us a bit. The next job is right over there, so he's got to get stuff sorted to get to everything. Posts on shelves, because obviously we've got packs of them everywhere, load over there. We've got gates, we've got stuff everywhere. So he's just having a good sort out. I'm just looking at these stillages that these roll tops come in. We're probably going to get some of them made for our panels. We'll go away, Justin.
I'm gone next Wednesday.
Oof. He's never been abroad.
Ever.
God help him in Tenerife. I worked away with him down Lincoln for a week. I was sick of him. But yeah, we've sort of more or less agreed this strip of land with landlords here. Try to get sorted for when he gets back. Extend his little yard a bit. Makes me sick that I used to have all this behind and all years ago. But you never know, do you, what's going to happen in future. But anyway, so yeah, a bit of a program out there as well. It's bloody DPF thing, emission thing, I don't know, AdBlue, whatever the flipping heck it is, the crap out of the modern vans. So it won't even drive at a minute now. I've only been back less than a day and already problems, so we've got to get that picked up. Probably, hopefully might come today, if not tomorrow, pick it up for us and hopefully get it sorted out at garage. So yeah, I've just been catching up, as you can imagine, a gazillion emails and jobs and that to quote, so I'm going to crack on and leave Justin back to stacking and sorting. I'm still in two minds about his little office to convert that into a sort of a toilet for us. Like lads sometimes need a bit of a drying place, so I might do that, I don't know yet. And then I'm in two minds, I think of, you know, to move these cabins here. I'm thinking I might move that cabin over there and then the office, my office, on top of it there and build some sort of steps and that there, but it's just all time and money, innit? non-earning work. So, you know, and obviously we've got to fit it in between his jobs. Anyway, we'll cross that bridge next month or so. We've got to get his school works out where holidays first, and then we'll get on with it.
Right, so Islandwood Primary School over in Leeds. Done a bit of work here before. We've just taken up fencing down. I'm going to be replacing it for 1.2 high green roll top. I'm out of breath. Just been taking all that down. I'll show you some of the works that we've done before. We have done some more around the front. This with I believe 3 metre high stuff we did around the court. All that with the gates. You can see it, we did that last time. Today we'll be going all the way down here. So we've already ripped it all out, we're on good time, it's 9:30. Start installing. And we'll be done. So it's going all the way down here to end.
Right, Monday morning it is. I'll just show you what we've been doing. Don't have come round quick these Mondays, don't they? Anyway, we've thrown a Saturday in this week, which is a rare occasion, but we needed to get a job done. We're well ahead of schedule, so yeah. Ever popular roll top mesh we use. Very popular in schools this now. Used on walkways, paths, segregation, so put a bit of a reveal in here. It's a bit of a bin store, and then we've took all this old timber out, all rotten, and we've gone up there with it. I think there's 36 metres gone in today, so quite an hard dig really, hitting back at curb edge, but yeah, we've overcome it. So we're going to get all this loaded up now, tipped off. It's about 3 o'clock. It's been red hot as well, but it's just come overcast. It's going to absolutely sail it down, so we're going to bat on and starting a new project tomorrow over at a local school. Got a few other bits on, a 100-metre job at end of week, so yeah, we'll be back with you soon.
Right, so we're at Greenhead College in Huddersfield. We're actually doing a height barrier today. Lads are just unpacking it, getting it sorted. So post we'll dig in first. Height barrier is going to be over. Just stop for people coming in with you know, big old trucks. It'll be able to open and close as well if they need it. And then this post here, we're going to be replacing this post. It looks like it's just been whacked by a wagon or a car or something like that, but you'll have to see back side of it. Look at that. But unfortunately that's bent at the bottom, so that'll be getting out and that one will be going in. Well, that looks like it might just fly out, so hopefully job's a good one. We'll soon find out. Right, so we finished up at Greenhead College. Just with the main man now. That post is in, gates are all shut. Lads are just putting a bolt in there. Then we're going to be on to the next job. All the barriers done. All done here. Perfect. All done there. Right, so here we are, Cavendish School. We've done a lot of work for these guys already. We're going to be doing some more twin on top of this wall here, coming all the way back around. This fence is coming down today all the way to the end and it's getting replaced with roll top. 1.2 high. You'll see previous videos, we just did some of that this week, actually yesterday. So I'm going to leave lads to this. Mark's back off holiday today, so he'll be around at some point. But yeah, we put all them gates in, all this fence in here. We did all the fencing down that side. We did all the fencing down that side. So yeah, I've got a van full of timber from yesterday's job. I'm going to go get rid of that and then come back and get all the timber off this job. I also got a few deliveries to make as well, so get that sorted. I'll come back and check on how everything's going. But yeah, if you remember rightly, from I think it must have been about a year now, if that, we did all fencing down here. And I believe we're actually going to be doing all the perimeter fencing as well. So yeah, we'll get that sorted and we'll get back to you. Alright, so we're just at Cavendish. He already has asked me to take it. Lads have finished up here. Just got the wall to do now after. I'll be getting done tomorrow. I'll take this string line off in a second. All in close. So this is a 1.2 roll top that we do. As you can see, put your hand on top of it, no worries. Always looks quite nice, this stuff, especially in schools, walkways, those segregated areas. Lads are just putting last post on now, and that's a job done. Well, half a job done. Next bit tomorrow will be 1.8 around here, and around the other side kids are climbing on it, so get all that closed off.
So following on from existing we've started with a 2.4. Maintain the height. That's a 1.8 height there, so it's 6 foot there all the way along. It's basically a box they can't get in. Them posts we got just finished shorter there, so they were perfect. And how we've done it, we've staggered post, as you can see, so it'll give it a little bit more integrity, so they aren't both facing each other. And then we've finished with that bolt down spigot there, clamp barred it, and then self tapped on the back of there. It's a bit blur, but it's basically a box they can't get in.
Good morning, hope you're well. Sorry I haven't been on camera much this week. Obviously I was on holiday last week, beginning of this week. And then since I've been back, I've actually been a bit poorly, to be honest. Feel slightly better today, so what am I up to? I'm down at Batley actually, the job we did, you can see it beside me here, for Jade Windows. We did this a few years ago now on some gates. I'll tell you, just sit in front of me, gates there, and there's fencing inside here. I had an inquiry whilst I was on holiday, so I've arranged to meet them this morning. I think they want some repairs around the back somewhere here. I've just pulled up now. I thought I'd better get a video. I haven't been on all week. Yeah, the lads have been smashing it out whilst I've been away. So yeah, I think beginning of this week doing it Islandwood Primary School, my first school, quite a number of years ago. We've done bits there before. Then they did Cavendish Primary School round corner from us. In fact, I'm meeting the main guy there next week because I quoted all the way around the school a while ago, and I think they're going ahead with that now. So I'm meeting him for that next week. Hopefully that'll be a good one for us. All on crank post, like, so it'll take some doing. Yeah, the last couple of days I've been down at Headingley. You might remember when I went to see the job where the Ripper hit one of the girls on the back of the head, right, literally opposite where the job is. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in and see this fella here. Yeah, I've just had a quick look round Jade Windows here. The main guy's actually with a customer in the showroom. So he just thought there was a little repair, the guy in the site, and they just come running out as I'm about to go. And they want a bit of fencing. I'll turn it around. If you can see that there, the twin mesh there, and this palisade there that we did. He wants some twin mesh just running in front of the palisade there, just to protect it a bit more there, just so nobody can pass things through it neither. Obviously they have a lot of plastics for the windows here and whatnot. So yeah, I shall get back and quote this, and we'll see how we get on.
Good morning, guys. We're in Keighley, little bespoke timber job. Rails, a railing and paling job. Got all chop saw set up, a couple of gates to make. It's in box baggy. This is what we've been doing for the last couple of days. Quite a few posts. I think there's over 30 odd posts was put in, so it's all set out now. Lovely done. Got a gate going here, an access gate here. Outside it. It's a change, a bit of timber. We ain't done a timber one for a while, so yeah, this will all come together nicely. It'll look really, really good. So I'll show you a finished product when we've finished.
So we're in Headingley today, doing a job here. It's going to be 2 metre V-mesh. Going to be some half panels going in down the hill. Going to be coming along the bottom there where you see the fence, nice and close. And then we're going to be coming up the other side, and it's pretty much ending in both same places, just there on the corner there and just there on the corner there. So guys, end of Friday, another week completed at Airedale, and this is what we've done the last 2 days. Obviously we haven't slacked it off, don't worry. We've done a lot this week, and then this is gradually going downhill, so as you can see it'll be half panels. We're actually getting about 2 ton of soil and filling in some of this as well. It's fairly steep. It's at the bottom, and as you can see, looking very nice, coming around. I brought back of it yesterday, you know what it's like on a Friday. Baggy's already feeding for the pub. He started checking at about 12 o'clock. But yeah, he wants some of these filling in, so he wants a bit of topsoil on it. That's not a problem. And all the way back up, looking absolutely marvellous. So yeah guys, if you like what we do, like and subscribe. We will see you bright and early Monday morning.
So that's it. Another week done here at Airedale, Friday afternoon. We love that. Lads are just finished down at Headingley there. So yeah, good job. In fact, he's wanting some more fencing in the gate, which I've just quoted him on, so we'll probably get that. So if you like what we do, give us a thumbs up. Why not comment down below, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.